Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the super easy Dotticure that's different than your traditional Dotticure. I'm going to be using the Hero Wine NYC shade called Same Old Love, which I recently featured in another video. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll fill you in. So basically for the month of October, Pure Wine NYC is going to be donating 100% of their net profits of their pink polishes to women that are currently suffering of breast cancer, and I'm sure they will actually link the exact place they are donating to on their website, so be sure to go check that out. And if you're interested in purchasing any pink polishes, definitely consider shopping there this month for that reason. So what I've done is one coat of this really nice kind of mulberry like pink shade and let that dry. I actually only did one coat because I was doing nail art on top and it looked really great in one coat. And then I'm just going in and doing elongated dots in a similar format to what I would a Dotticure, as in they kind of have a pattern, but they also kind of don't. I actually did this in a recent video as an accent nail, so if you've watched that, you've already seen me do this type of design before, but I really enjoyed it as a full-on design on all of my nails. You could totally continue the same thing that I did before with the skitolette and use this as an accent nail, or you could just kind of change up your background color for all your nails and do the same pattern on all of them. It'd be really simple and easy to do, and you don't even need a dotting tool, which is also kind of fun. And I just used white acrylic paint in case you were wondering, and I let that dry, of course, and then I put on a shiny top coat, but you could use matte if you were wanting a matte like look, which I always feel like a matte design that looks really good in the fall for some reason. I'm not really sure why that is. I guess maybe because I associate it with suede, and suede is a fabric that I associate with fall, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's just a little far-fetched, but who knows. Anyway, I did that on all of my nails, and super easy, super quick, and a little bit different than a Dotticure, but just the same amount of ease, which I love. And in general, I've just been kind of into this sort of pattern, and I actually created a pattern the other day on my iPad that matched, which probably is why I've been obsessed with it on my nails as well. So super easy to do and so many color options available. So if you guys do recreate this, please share on social media and tag me. I'm 25 Sweetpeas on basically every platform that you can think of. The only platform I don't have is TikTok. So, I mean, every other platform you can pretty much find me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And this month is filled with a lot of different videos. So I hope you guys are enjoying that. And yeah. Thanks so much for watching again, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!